let's start off today's vlog with a HKS 2.2 litre stroked SR. Thing sounds incredible. How good does that sound?
It sounds amazing.
2.2 litre SR. The best sounding SR in the world. Seriously, the coolest. Finish it off with a bang. So good.
That sounds amazing.
Right? Damn, look at this guy driving the Skyline like a boss. He looks at home there. Oh, I really need to fix that brake light. Alright, so today we are fixing the bush, the mount, whatever it is in the front end that's causing that weird clunking sound. We're gonna fix that and figure it out. So today's agenda is to try and get all those mounts changed and repaired on the front end of my car. We got a whole bunch of new goodies which we'll show you in a little bit, but for now let's get this thing jacked in the air onto some jack stands. I'm pretty happy today because I actually have like my own personal employee over here who's looking a little bit cold.
I'm cold.
Start doing some work and you'll warm up, bro.
Yeah, I know. I'm keen.
Do you know about this jack? It's called the Super Amazing Wow Jack. I saw a comment in the comment section a while ago and someone was like, bro, why are you jacking off your sump? And I'm not. It's the front subframe.
There was some bloke on the comments saying that Sam mounted his tyre backwards. What did you just find?
I literally did. I was so sure I didn't. I ignored the comment. Oh, this guy's on crack. And then I literally looked at them and like, oh damn, I actually did. Yeah.
Let's look at the other side.
I did take it out and flip it. The other side's fine.
Oh.
The rotation's completely wrong. Yeah, I did. But what happens with drifting, right, is as we wear this side down, when there's camber wear here, we do flip it. I mean, sure, it's not like what you're supposed to do according to the tire manufacturer, but everyone does it. And actually with my tires that I always run on the rear, I always run them in reverse because you get no delamination, you get more grip, and they wear evener, like more even when you run them in reverse rotation.
Yeah.
It's a very known thing in drifting. If you have rotational tires on the rear to burn, you always run them in reverse rotation and they wear better.
Well, there you go. Your steering just might have been off a little bit, you reckon? Or
I don't think so. I don't think it really made any difference,
it probably wouldn't
honestly.
Have.
But
well,
we'll still
there
flip
you
it.
go.
We'll do it right.
We'll do that today, yeah. Let's
Okay.
do that. While I enjoy my JDM Sprite, Sam's going to feel around with the pry bar. See if we can find this. Hey, look out, boyo. Jeez, mate. We're going to keep that for the bedroom, all right?
Hi.
All good?
I've been summoned. So yeah, if I put this in here and put some pressure on it. Yeah, it's this one here. There's a lot of play in the bearing for some reason. Hear that?
Yeah. You can hear the noise, exactly the noise that it makes.
And this bearing here.
There you go.
So there you go.
So it's actually, it looks like it's moving left and right.
Yeah,
right.
Which explains why like the caster would kind of shift and move too.
Yeah.
But while we're here, we are going to also do our lower control arms too.
Yep.
Because I've got some new polyurethane mounts and ball joints for that.
Yeah, whereabouts? Oh, just up here.
Fire. Yeah, bring that little box, bring the whole box down.
There you go. There's, well, yeah. No one there. Cool.
So yeah.
Beautiful.
Buddies over at GK Tech hooked it up, as well as got some Super Pro stuff from Australia. Fully polyurethane bushes for the top of the control arm, like the double wishbone suspension that connects to the top here.
Yep.
We got these, and then we've got the lower control arm bushes here, plus some brand new lower control arm ball joints from GK Tech. These bad boys here.
Look at them. Beautiful.
Beautiful. And then yeah, they pretty much sent me a pretty big supply of new bearings and stuff for the upper arms. So
perfect.
We got spare new ones of these as well. So we'll swap them all in.
Sounds good.
And we'll be fine.
Awesome. So this is what, literally, it's really difficult to try and move these and they're really fluid. But then this one here.
Oh, how you doing? What's up?
Yeah.
You can see like it's worn in, heat's hard there, and you can see like that's where it's been banging.
Yeah, it's
see all
like
the marks
scored.
there?
Yeah.
Like that's
Later.
indentation from it just banging inside there. Like it's actually got so much play.
Yeah, and then feel that.
Yeah, and this one's like firm as, not a single bit of play. Like I can't move it at all. This thing's just flopping around like, what do they call it? Like something in a sock?
Well, I was just going to say there's nothing better than firm balls. He's just quickly finished off this side right here. How are we looking on that side there, Samo?
Yeah, just checking for play on this side, and there's nothing.
Nothing at all?
It's fine.
Beautiful.
No loosey-goosey stuff at all. Like,
You will be wanting to do that in the future, but...
yeah, for sure. I'll switch them out with those new upgraded ones that UKTech have now. Well, it's so easy to do. Like, we're done in like 45 minutes. Once I figure out where the fault was, we're all good. So, I mean, I'm going to climb under here and jiggle some more things and see if we find any other noises, but we're done. Next thing we're going to do right now is I'm going to quickly shave that down. Let's get that done.
Awesome. What the?
That took a fair bit off, that's good. I'll do
Looks
a bit more.
heaps better.
Yeah, I'll do a little bit more. Just try and get it a little bit more. But yeah, just needed a couple milli off there. Because yeah, this rubs up against the body here, and when I'm at full lock, the biggest thing that I hit is my sway bar here now. And this, so until I change all of this to like the full GK-Tech arm kit, there's no point in mucking around with anything else. So we'll just shave a little bit there. So I just remembered something that I've been wanting to do for the longest time.
Cut off the bottom of the front bar.
Forget.
Come on, dude.
More than that.
It looks so much better.
I know, like, I want to cut this bottom lip off all the way here and follow the line along. I know it's not going to look great, but it'll look okay.
Go further. Slam the car. You won't.
No, I won't.
It would look so much better, dude.
Bro,
like,
never.
all the way through here.
No, because, dude, that's where my chassis is.
And?
No, shut up. All right. So here, for the longest time, the bumper's been kind of like rubbing on the coupler here. So I'm going to get it there and just cut a little bit out and stop it from doing that, because it's only a matter of time before that cuts through the coupler and makes a boost leak for me, which means no fun times. So let's do that. I'm really enjoying these glasses, hey?
Yeah, they're not... They'd be better if they were snap-on.
Oh, better if they'll snap on. Yeah, they were. We thought they were snap on at first. So we got this little guy, little midgy guy. This is Zach and this is Sam.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Swap them around, matey.
Yeah, thicker and longer.
It even makes the noises that I make.
I don't know about that.
Maybe Sarah.
All right. So I'm going to get in there with this, and we're just going to, you know what? I think we're going to have to use...
Get in there with a small boy.
Yeah, we'll do that.
All right, sounds good. It's almost like you've done this before. How good's that?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Looking good, like a glove, mate. I was a little bit more up here. Wait. There you go. There we go.
Look at that.
Good, yeah.
Beautiful.
More of a trimmy trim. Gotta get those lines looking straight, you know, OCD SAMMIT here.
That's it.
When have I ever cared about this?
OCD SAMMIT. Yeah.
Tape holding my bumper up.
The swirl marks, all this down here, all that down there.
Look at all the rubber from my last drift day.
When was your last drift day?
Oh, like 3 weeks ago?
Yeah, right, that's all still there.
Yeah. Did you just do that?
It hurt my nail.
Oh, dude, you just ruined my paint. You owe me a new paint job.
Don't even start, boyo.
All right, I need to swap this tire now, so let's do that because you guys pointed out in the comment section. I can't have you guys calling me out.
Whoa.
I like like a glove, mate.
That was grouse. Did
I
you?
don't know why, but ever since I put these glasses on, I just feel like every second word needs to be like a glove. Every second sentence, so. I need something to Camry start. The most depressing thing about this is I'm not even putting new tires on. This is all I'm doing.
And flip.
And again.
And again. This is just tire changing practice.
Pretty much. I did this on purpose. I knew I needed content the next time I was at Yoshimura.
You needed.
And I knew that no one had ever made a tire changing YouTube.
You needed to make a 10-minute video.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
That was not going to work. So.
See, they didn't even get the tire on. He speaks to the tires.
Yeah, man.
It's just not going to happen.
Tire whisperer, bro. The banter is so real. We really are friends, I promise.
No, we're not.
Okay.
I only came over here to get subs.
You only came here for the free accommodation.
That's it.
Right.
And to chat to May.
Ooh.
Ooh, look out, look out. Sorry. 1.
No, not yet.
-1.
Here comes.
3,
Here
2,
comes.
1. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Hey! Oh my god, I can't get the front wheel on. How do I do it?
Fuck that guy's in.
I'm even recording this too, so you can see how bad I'm doing the
Fuck that guy.
What?
You know, man.
Fucking guys, you.
Are you seriously struggling this much right now? Where's the camera?
The camera's over there, I just can't get it on, it's moving.
Is it recording?
It is, yeah.
That's moving. The wheel's moving?
The wheels, no, that's moving.
Yeah. Oh, you mean the hub's moving? The hub's moving? You're like, it's moving. I'm like, what's moving? The wheel?
I can't hold it up. I'm not
you line it
strong
up
enough.
and you just like that.
Cut.
Like this. Hang on. I'll take it off and I'll put it back on for you. Like that. You know, there's a hole and there's a rod. Like. All right, ladies and gents, we're on the maiden voyage. Let's see. I'm about to put my foot on the brake and see if the noise is still there. No! No! It's something else. Oh man, I am so upset. Well, we had to replace those pillow ball joints anyways. We've got new mounts for everything else. We'll change those next week and hopefully the noise disappears. I mean, there was a fair bit of looseness in the lower control arm mounts, so I'm not really surprised. And this does actually feel so much better now that those ball joints are changed. Definitely feels good. But yeah, there's definitely under braking. Something mainly happening on the left-hand side. We need to get to the bottom of that for sure. We'll do that next week. Bummer. Literally, life as a Skyline owner, I feel right here, right now. That sucks. Thought I fixed the problem. Guess we weren't even close. But it did make the car handle better, that's for sure. So I'm pumped about that. And here we go again, bringing the car back off the ground. We want to inspect and make sure that there's definitely nothing weird or funky happening. And just try to get to the bottom of this and make sure that it's nothing super dangerous. So for the last 15 minutes or so, I've been under this car with Fukasawa-san going over everything, trying to get to the bottom of this noise. And I think we found it. It was the last thing we checked, of course. But as you can see there, the rack bush is shot. And I couldn't see that before, I guess, because when I was looking at it, I never looked at it from this angle. Kind of just looked at it from up the back here, which it looks totally fine. Until you kind of look up and in the subframe there and you can see that's completely shot. So we're gonna get some new ones of those. Nismo sells them. We'll get some Nismo ones in there and that should fix her up. You guys will not believe this. Okachan literally had the Nismo reinforced bushings that I need for my power steering rack just chilling up there. Literally just like lying around. What a freaking champion. It's probably only going to take me 15 to 30 minutes to switch these in. We've already got the car jacked up on stands. Might as well change it. So let's do it. I cannot get over how this guy literally just, whenever I need stuff, it's here. It's either brand new, and the best thing is these are 20 bucks a pop. They're so cheap for Nismo products. Anyways, all right, let's get this done. Nissan was like, let's actually make something easy.
What's that, Sam? You can lift the whole rack with 2 hands.
Yeah, bro.
That's insane.
Look at this. You just lift the whole thing out like that.
That's easy.
Yeah. One mount out, the one that's actually good.
Imagine if we figured this out beforehand.
Yeah, I know. That'd be so. We'd be done a long time ago. Hey. We're done, boys. We're done.
Woohoo!
I'm excited. Do you want to? Should we do something to the old bush? Well, I mean, we don't know that this was 100% the fault.
If this isn't, how annoyed are you going to be?
This is a Skyline, remember? It's going to tell you and make you think that something else is at fault when it may not be. But that is pretty bad. So there's a good chance that's that. And it needed to be fixed regardless. So.
Yep. The noise was coming from the suspension in the front left. The issue will be from the back seat in the rear right. Like, this is how Skylines are.
Yeah, no, it's actually a broken turbo probably. Kind of lacking these safety glasses. I really hope that this is the end of the Skyline weird knocking sound. We're about to find out. We're closing the workshop, so if the noise is still there, I'm probably going to cry myself to sleep on the way home, but I don't want to fall asleep at the wheel. So please join me in this momentous occasion. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Dun 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 dun. I wish I knew the lyrics to the rest of that song.
High grip. Look at the stance on this man. The precision, the poise. Oh no!
I want you guys to listen to this, right? But the steering now feels good side to side. There's no loose plate there whatsoever. But just let me move the car forward and brake. Listen to this. Go up the front. You can hear
I'll see if I can hear it. Yeah. Yeah, it's still there. I wonder what that could be.
Probably lower control arm pushing or something like that. Anyways, I need to get out of the way so these guys can back up.
Yeah, definitely.
Damn it.
Oh, damn it, SAMMIT.
So not exactly the results I was personally hoping for. Probably you guys weren't hoping for either, unless you guys hate me and you're probably the guys that hit that dislike button all the time. You wanted to see me fail. No, but I am still going to be super optimistic here and actually happy because we did fix 2 things that actually were problems and did have play. So there's a good chance that all the different noises we were hearing and why it was so confusing and hard for me to find was because there literally was a lot of things wrong in the front end that needed to be fixed. So I'm greasing my forehead. I do. Look at that. Beautiful. So yeah, found another problem. We solved it. The steering feels incredibly way better now. I actually didn't know it had a whole bunch of play in it until now that we fixed it. So that's awesome. But yeah, there's still that clunking sound there. It's got to be lower control arm mounts at this point, even though it doesn't seem like they move or anything when we're under there with the pry bar and put like a jack up under the wheel and stuff. So we're just going to swap them all out and hope that that is it. If it isn't, I don't know what else it could be. So yeah, tune in for the next Skyline saga. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. Make sure you smash that like button for me, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace out. Jamata.